Alright guys, today I wanted to do a quick unboxing, review, and install of my new smart screen. Been super excited to get one of these. I do have a screen in my car, but like it doesn't have all the features that this one has. So I'm going to go through all the pieces so you can see exactly what you get. So let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, very nice. Alright, this is a screen right here. I believe it was like a 6.86. So very, very nice. That down there. So you get the suction cup to install it. Oh, this is cool. You get a backup camera, water resistant backup camera, the power, the serial lighter one, and the Type-C on the other end. This must be the other attachment for it. Probably just stick it on there. Very cool. You've got an auxiliary here. This is usually to like peel it off. And then you get the manual as well as, let's see, some important tips. Before I go out there, there's actually two attachments. Let's see, you could either use this one, which is for the dash. I'm gonna go ahead and go with the windshield one, and it literally just clicks onto here, and boom, and it locks on. So it's good to go. And we're gonna go ahead and take it out and fire it up and see how it works. All right, guys, so I've got it hooked up. I actually put a little slot for it right here, which I kind of liked. I'll probably end up moving it either right here or use the function for the top piece, but I really like the screen and how clear it looks. We'll probably use the CarPlay and AirPlay and maybe some of the other functions just to see how it works. But first off, I do like how clean it looks. So let's see if I can get the AirPlay or the CarPlay working and see how it does. All right, looks like we're connected. So let's see, screen mirroring, and bam, there it is, smart screen. Wow, very cool. Let's go to, let's see, maybe YouTube. Might just pick something random here. This one. Hit play. It's actually still loading on my phone, but there it goes. Wow, it's got a nice speaker on it.
We're going to do something a little bit different. We're actually going to jump straight into the conversation.
Very, very cool. That is so cool. All right, so now we're going to do maybe like TikTok.
Just like this one.
Look at that. You could literally scroll social media on it. It'll show everything on there.
TikTok literally tells you
That
exactly how to go
cool.
viral, and so many people are
cool. And then there's another option on here. So if you just want maybe like music, you could just do music. So now just hit play, and it'll literally play off of here. How cool is that? A lot of features on here. All right, and then the last two things I'm going to show very quickly is if you want to connect directly to an auxiliary port, it has one down here at the bottom, and it also has FM stations. So how cool is that? So if you want to listen to the radio, or you want to plug in a Nintendo Switch or anything with an aux port, it'll also do that as well. All right, and then the last two things that I'm going to show is the backup camera as well as the Android cast. So don't worry if you don't have an iPhone, it's got the Android cast on here for you as well, so both parties can use. And that is exactly the quality of the backup camera. Like, wow, that is a very clear picture, and a very nice added bonus, honestly, to include the backup camera on there. So this thing does it all. All right, guys, so there you have it. Full unboxing and review on this smart screen. Very, very nice. Like I said, it does all the audio, FM, auxiliary, Android, AirPlay, whatever you want. It could do. And that 6.8 screen is still a nice screen where it's not going to get in the way, whether you have it up or you have it on the dash. Like I said, but it still like gives it a better view of whatever it is that you're watching or listening to. Because like I said, it's got that built-in speaker as well. So if you're looking for an awesome smart screen, I highly recommend this one for your vehicle. Definitely a 10 out of 10.